Alright, maybe not how you're supposed to use it, but today we're checking out the Parkside 2-in-1 car creeper and stool. This isn't really the type of thing I usually review, but I thought I'd try something different this time. It's a 2-in-1 setup. You can use it as a creeper to roll under your car, or flip it into a small stool when you're working at a lower height. The creeper is rated for 150 kilos, and the stool for 120 kilos. Let's see what Parkside packed in here. As usual, there's a manual, and for once I might actually have to read it. Next up, the classic bag of parts, everyone's favorite. Woohoo! Here we have the upper frame, the central frame, and the lower frame. Pretty straightforward so far.
You will do as I say.
Let's open this up. Hopefully nothing is missing. Something's stuck. Oh, it's a bag inside the bag. Cute. So let's see what we've got. There should be 6 casters. Check. 1 Allen key. Check. 4 nuts. Check. 4 threaded inserts. Check. 4 bolts. Check. And 2 small wrenches. Check. Okay, let's start building this thing. The first step is to attach the central frame to the lower frame. I start by sliding the central frame between the lower frame and pulling out the safety pin so it can be inserted into the safety hole on the central frame. Then I secure both frames together with a nut and bolt, using the included wrenches. Next, we secure the upper frame to the middle frame, same as before. This time I'm using a wrench and a size 15 ratchet. Those included wrenches were driving me crazy.
Emotional damage! No! No!
The next and final step is to fasten the casters. I started by pushing the threaded inserts into the holes in the frame. Then I positioned the chair so the caster was at the front and the back of the frame was facing me. I put a wrench on the nut and used the Allen key to spin the caster into the threaded insert. This made it quick and easy to get the caster in place. For the last 2 casters on the top plate, the threaded inserts were already in the holes, and I found out that you could just spin them in manually, so that's what I did. Easy. Once all 6 casters were in, the frame was ready to roll. Let's see how this thing transforms into a stool. That was easier than I expected, and pretty smooth. And now it's time for a sit test, and to try the creeper position as well. I'll just have to imagine that I'm actually working on something. Now on to the comfort. It's okay, not super comfortable, and it's slightly angled backwards, so sitting on it for a longer time would be a bit of a hassle. But for short use, it's just fine. And now for the creeper position.
What?
That sounds so wrong when you say it like that, but you get the point. This feels nice for the back and works better than the stool position. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. So that's the Parkside 2-in-1 car creeper and stool. It's not perfect, but it does the job. The stool is fine for short tasks, and the creeper position actually works pretty well. If I were to change something, it would be the casters. They're way too cheap, but they do their job. Overall, I'd say it's a solid little tool to have in the garage. If you enjoyed this video and want to support what I do, you can buy me a coffee. Link is in the description. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more behind the scenes and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.